My name is Megan Charks. I work for the Boys and Girls Club of Benton and Franklin counties, and we serve over 4,000 youth before and after school here in our clubhouses in Benton and Franklin counties.
I'm with the Tri-Cities Area Journal of Business and Senior Times, and then also help coordinate the Senior Times Expo.
I am Ricky Gillette with Tri-City Regional Chamber of Commerce, and I am the events director. BFT did a golf cart service for our Women in Business conference that we hold annually. It is the largest women's event in Eastern Washington at about 1,000 attendees.
Our event is hosted at a very large parking lot. We have the Toyota Center, we have the Convention Center, and so sometimes people are older and they don't want to walk, or they're wearing something nice and they don't want to get it dirty or have to walk in it. You know, heels are important and expensive. So
our Senior Expo, we put on every April and every October. We get over 600 seniors that come through the Senior Expo each April and each October. BFT came in the day before and mapped out stations so that they could spot seniors that needed help out in the parking lot. And then was there early to set up their stations and was ready to roll before the event started. The service that they provided was exceptional.
Ben Franklin Transit is our transportation for Benton County and Franklin County, so it's pretty much a must that they have to be our golf cart service.
I actually attended the Chamber of Commerce's Women in Business where BFT provided the service at their event and was just blown away by it. I had never seen this service before and immediately went to BFT staff and I said, okay, how can I get this at our event? It improved our safety at our event. It really did. You know, it's always been a worry of ours that we would have a senior fall in the parking lot and, you know, walking a long distance. BFT just came in and provided that service for us. I mean, and it was something that it was very well needed.
I found out about the BFT golf service at another event that I attended, and I located Brian and I said, what is this service? I've never seen it before. I want it at my event. How do we get this done? And they made it happen. And as a nonprofit, it's so important that we have those community partnerships that allow all of us to shine and really show the community how we're working together to make things better for our community.
I definitely recommend Ben Franklin Transit's golf service for your major event.
I highly recommend using the BFT golf carts for your next community event. I know we will be. It is something that just adds that little extra to making sure your event is elevated, your event shines, and really shows the community that you're not only using the services provided to them that they are helping fund, but just really shows that we care.
It was phenomenal. We absolutely loved it, and I know our seniors did too. Yeah.